Listen, if you don't educate yourself right now, increase your financial literacy, you're in trouble. Bottom line. There's nobody out here going to save you, and there's nobody out here going to even let you know, besides me, here on the Free Thinking channel. You know what I'm saying? The Free Thinking channel is a spin-off channel to my original channel, Freedom Culture. And there on the Freedom Culture, I like to discuss current events on the financial sector, this new digital economy, and also breaking down blockchain technology in the most understandable terms possible. And I feel like it's really important to get to the meats and potatoes of the financial world, this digital financial world. And the reason why I feel like it's important to skip all the bullshit and get to the meats and potatoes of it is because we don't got time. You know, we got Moore's law working against us. Transmitters, microchips is splitting constantly. Technology is going up like crazy. You feel me? Like the curve from 2000 to now, it looks like a crypto. You know what I'm saying? It looks like it just took off. So, along with inflation. You know, so we don't got time to go through the traditional methods of learning. I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna give it to you straight up, candid, no fluff, no bullshit. You know what I'm saying? The dollar is worth what the Federal Reserve says. You know, you got gold that could be worth, that could be perceived value, but there's also a standard price, a spot price for gold. You got crypto, that's market value. We got everything else is could be perceived value, but the dollar, the US dollar that you hold is worth what the Fed says. Bitcoin is worth that, whatever it says in the market. You know, but our currency is rapidly changing according to what that man says out his mouth, you know, and that's a big deal. So we got this recent Japan crash, and I'm going to try my best not to make this a long video. The recent Japan crash, all right? Ironically, this crash happens on the same date that the historical atomic bomb date, August 6th. It's so ironic. Same date, same historical impact, because what this video is about equality, equal quality, and how it's important to practice it. You know, what goes on over here might be going on over there too. You know, what goes on over there might go on over here. And I'm saying this to say the significant impact of the Japan crash just recently. I know some bulls that was just waiting for this to happen. They seen this happening ahead of time. Their currency just got stronger, you know? So they raised rates. And this is what I've been talking about in my previous videos. The news and everybody's going crazy talking about they about to cut back rates and the stock market is gonna soar and all that stuff. Nah, bro, I don't know. And I could be wrong. And I hold, you know, I'm accountable enough to, you know, admit when I'm wrong. And we'll see. Only time will tell. But I have a real good feeling that they might not even cut back on rates. And the same thing that's happening over there will happen over here. You know, we're experiencing a significant dip since COVID, since March around COVID. And what happened during that time, we didn't buy. Well, if you didn't buy, you missed out on a huge rebound, you know? So I regret not buying that time, and reflecting from what went on then, reflecting to now, I'm still feeling that same way. I'm still feeling iffy about investing into this market right now, because I feel like it's gonna go down even more. Once Render, for example, see Render, the crypto Render, I've been using as a short-term play. I've been using this cryptocurrency as like a trader, you know. not really long-term investing, but now I'm just so blown out of my positions that I'm forced to just be an investor because I'm not selling that amount of loss. That's a huge loss. But ultimately, this is the future. You know, the market is not going to go away regardless of what. It just means a longer time that you have to wait. If you're invested into the right assets, it just means that it's a longer time that you have to wait until you see your profit. And I want to highlight, you got to make sure you're in the right assets, because right now there is a crackdown. Everything's shaking up. You don't want to be in the wrong places. You feel me? So make sure you do your research and increase your financial literacy, because what goes on over there can go on over here. You got to be intelligent in all different areas in your life. And that to me is equality, you know, uh, being equal quality with all aspects of your life, your physical, mental, spiritual, uh, all of that. You know what I'm saying? All around the board. Financial. It's important. It's too many grown-ups don't even know how money works. You know what I'm saying? They just know work, get paid, work, get paid. Investors invest my money for me. Banks invest my money for me. Banks don't even give me commission anymore. I just put money in the bank for convenience and then get charged fees. Banks, they just don't give a damn about you. It's utterly disrespectful how people are getting treated. But, you know, that's how the game goes. You know, we get money, we get rich off of what people don't know. you know, so it's a full circle. But that's all I'm gonna say for today. Watch where you're going. It's a hot zone right now. You know what I'm saying? Watch where you're parking your money. You know, and what goes on over there can happen over here. Likely happen over here. And keep in mind, don't listen to what the crowd say. Use your own mind. Yep. That's all I'm gonna say. Peace. Later.